Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. And today, in our last class, told you told you about the equation of motions, about the equations of uniformly accelerated motions. So basically, we discussed, only three equations. That means motion equation only three. There are three important motion equation. First one is that the first equation of motion v equals to u plus at. V equals to u plus at is the first equation of motion. V equals to u plus at is the first equation of motion, where v is the final velocity of the body, u is the initial velocity of the body, a is the acceleration, and t is the time. T is the time. The uniformly accelerated motion, that means वेलोसिटी जो ऑब्जेक्ट का चेंज हो रहा है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, वेलोसिटी तो चेंज हो रहा है बट क्या हो रहा है, इक्वली चेंज हो रहा है, इक्वली चेंज हो रहा है. दैट मींस कि v इक्वल्स टू u प्लस at इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. एज वी नो दैट कि v will be equals to final velocity and u equals to initial velocity. Initial velocity. A equals to acceleration, and t equals to time. T equal to time. I will prove it. We will derive the equation. Derivation कि v equals to u plus at, we can derive it. Simply one thing is that important is that suppose that it is a random track, and this is the platform, and this is the platform. Suppose that a train is, this is the train. Suppose that it is the station, as station, and train, train. So before enter the station, a train has different velocity, and in the station, that means when the train reached the station, the velocity of the train is completely different. So let the first velocity, initial velocity of the train, that means u meter per second. So before the station, the velocity of the train is greater, and at the station, that means that means if finally the train from point A to point B, at point B, the final position of the train at point B, that means the velocity of the train, that means final velocity of the train, final velocity of the train at station, station, ये क्या होगा, v meter per second. That means v meter per second is the final velocity of the train when the train is in railway station. So obviously in that case, if u is greater than v. In that case, u is greater than v. So as we know that कि ट्रेन को इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट तक आने में कुछ ना कुछ टाइम लगा होगा. That means if the train is moving with respect to time, that means if point A से point B, suppose that this is a single position, that means suppose to be train at the signal. तो सिग्नल स्टेशन, that means ये जो डिस्टेंस है, इस डिस्टेंस को कवर करने में ट्रेन को कुछ ना कुछ टाइम लगा हुआ, दैट मीन्स दे ट्रेन इज टेकिंग सम टाइम टू कवर दिस डिस्टेंस, द ट्रेन इज टेकिंग सम टाइम टू कवर दिस डिस्टेंस, सपोज दैट the distance is s and time is t. So as we know that from the definition of acceleration, as we know that from the acceleration, a double c e l e r a t i acceleration, that means change of velocity, change in velocity by time, change in velocity by time, change in velocity, that means कि फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल बाय टाइम। अभी अभी आपको हमने एग्जांपल दिया ट्रेन का और स्टेशन का, दैट मींस इनिशियली u एंड फाइनली v, दैट मींस एक्सीलरेशन इज डिनोटेड बाय a, acceleration is denoted by a will be equals to change in velocity, that means final velocity minus initial velocity by time, that means a will be equal to final velocity is denoted by v and initial velocity is u and time is t, cross multiplication, that means 1, तो a into t बराबर 1 into v minus u, that means कि 80 will be equals to v minus u, हमको क्या लेना है कि v equals to u plus 80, मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, मेरा बोल क्या है, you have to find that if v will be equals to u plus 80, then now the u is negative, right side equal and less than equal, that means if v is equals to u plus 80, therefore v equals to u plus 80 is the first equation of motion, hence proof. Hence proved. Mathematically means proved. The first equation of motion is proved. First equation of motion is proved from the acceleration. That means in notes some important points. First point is that this equation that means v equals to u plus 80 is known as first equation of motion. That means v equal to u plus 80 is known as first equation of motion, and it is used to find out the velocity v, that is velocity v acquired by a body in time t. This can be used कि इसको हम लोग कोई सारे ऑब्जेक्ट टाइम t के साथ टाइम t में वो कितना वेलोसिटी एक्वायर करता है। सेकंड थिंग इज दैट second equation of motion, so the second equation of motion is s will be equal to ut plus half at square, ut plus 1 by 2 at square या फिर half at square. It gives the distance traveled by a body in time t, that means कि कोई सा भी ऑब्जेक्ट with that means time t में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा. Suppose that you have to know, that means you have no, actually we know initial velocity of the body is that, and acceleration of the body is known and time is known. Suppose that इस तीनों कंडीशन पे बॉडी मेरा कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा. तो बेसिकली सिंपली समझेंगे. सपोज दैट कि a car is moving, suppose simply suppose that simply figure look at the figure. A car is moving in east, क्योंकि ये velocity is a vector quantity, so due to this we will mention the direction. Suppose that if the car is moving in the direction east, suppose that stop, that is the pole, that means if the car is moving in east towards east, so with a velocity of u meter per second, the car is moving towards east with an initial velocity of u meter per second. Velocity of the car is u meter per second. Or suppose that the distance between this pole to this pole, that is stop, is s. The distance between this pole to this pole is s. Suppose that if this distance को travel करने में, that means the car is taking, या फिर the car is covering this distance s in time t. That means t. So that means कि कार point A से point B के बीच का जो distance है, the distance between point A to point B, the car covers this distance with in time t. The distance or the distance covered by the car, the distance s covered by the car with initial velocity of u meter per second square, so u meter per second in time t. That means ये distance ये कार इतना velocity के साथ इतना सेकंड में कंप्लीट कर जाता है. तो अब ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? अब ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? तो we can calculate this distance using this formula. That means you can find the distance after using the second law of motion. That means we can find this distance after using the second law of motion. After using the second law of motion, so we will mathematically derive how we calculate, how we prove that s will be equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. How we calculate, how we get this value. एक बार सिंपली शुरू. Initial position of the car is at point A and the final position of the car is point B stop. That means the car is moving with initial velocity u meter per second towards east, and toward east to point second pole तक. Suppose that the distance between this to this, that is both pole is s. The distance s covered by the car with an initial velocity of u meter per second square per second in time t. In that case, how we calculate what is the actual distance covered by the car with this speed, with this velocity and that given time. So we can easily calculate the distance between them using this formula. See, let the initial velocity of the body is u meter per second, uniform acceleration of the body for time t, that is time t is body का जो uniform acceleration है, that means a, so that its final velocity is v. Final velocity of the car is v. That means when the car reaches at point B, that means यहाँ the final velocity of the car at point B, that means that place. The final velocity of the car is v meter per second. Acceleration of the car is a meter per second square. The distance traveled by the body, in this time, that is time t में distance traveled by the car is s. The distance traveled by the car in this time, that means s. As we know that average velocity will be equal to, as we know that average velocity will be equals to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Initial plus final velocity by 2. That means the average velocity will be equals to initial velocity u plus final velocity v by 2 equals to last. That means the average velocity will be equals to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Velocity by 2. That means and distance travel, and another formula is distance travel travel will be equals to average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. That means u plus v by 2 into t will be equals to average distance travel. Distance travel. That means s. That means s. That means s. That means as. So this can be written as distance travel. That means s will be equals to average velocity. That means u plus v by 2 into t. U plus v by u into t. As we know that s will be equals to u plus. As we know that if v will be equals to u plus 80. As we know that if v will be equals to u plus 80 from first equation. From first equation. As we know that v will be equals to u plus 80 from the first equation, so we can put this value at the place. That means u plus 80 into t. U plus 80 into t. So that means as will be equal to u plus u. That means 2u plus 80 by 2 into t. So finally is that as will be equals to 2u plus 80 by 2 into t. As will be equals to 2u by 2 plus 80 by 2 into t. So that means it two separate कर दिए. Means 2 को 2u plus 2 plus 80 by 2. That means हम 2 को separate कर दिए, दोनों को अलग डिवाइड कर दिए. That means as will be equals to 2 cancel u plus 80 by 2 into t. Second thing is that t into ut plus 80 into t by 2. So final result is as will be equals to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. T into t square. So finally we can write that. Finally we can write that as will be equals to ut plus 1 by 2 at square is proved. ED proved. So finally we can write that as barabar ut plus half at square. So as distance as is here distance to by the body in time t will be equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Second motion equation. Second motion equation where as equal to distance traveled by the body in time t. Distance travel by the body in time t. Distance traveled by the body in time t. U will be equals to initial velocity. U equal to initial velocity of the body, and A will be equals to acceleration. A double C E L E R A T I acceleration. A acceleration or T is the time. This is the second equation of motion. Another point is that this is the second equation of motion. This is The second equation of motion. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate. It is used to calculate the. It is used to calculate the. It is used to calculate the. It is used to calculate the distance travel by the body distance travel by the body in time t. That means any time, that means time t में कोई बॉडी u वेलोसिटी के साथ, that means एक टाइम t ऑब्जेक्ट विद द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ u के साथ कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा, कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, we can find the distance with the help of second equation of motion. Second equation of, before that you should solve these questions from your Ashton book. That means you have to solve these questions. Question page number to question number 51, 39, 40 and question number 57, 58, 59, 60. Page number हो जाएगा, page number is that 21 or 22. Page number 21 and 22. Thank you guys for your quality time and I hope you will understand all these things. If कोई सा भी पॉइंट अगर तुमको क्लियरली समझ में नहीं आया तो you can text me. I can explain all these things again and again. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.